This is a warning to the Igbo people living in Yoruba land. We're giving you a 48-hour ultimatum from today, Friday, 23rd of October, 2020, until Sunday, 25th of October, 2020, to leave Yoruba land.
Like, seriously? My people, wetin wey we no go see this country, our problem plenty o. Our wahala really plenty, no be small. First of all, I want to address this guy wey just im face just fine for nothing, but im head na coconut. Nothing dey that im head when e dey think of. Wetin I want to ask this guy be say, e dey say make Igbo people leave Yoruba land. What of Yoruba land wey be say Yoruba people wey be say dem dey for Igbo land? E don tell dem say make dem follow leave. See, as far as I'm concerned, this whole thing na dry raking. Why I say na dry raking be say, according to report, they say na Tinubu na pay this guy some kind small money, and maybe na change wey be say dem give am. And I know say all this hungry youth wey be say dem never see money, when they give them maybe 1 million naira, e go be like say dem see 1 billion naira. So this guy wey be say e dey talk so, from the way they talk, na bribe dem bribe am. Na be the thing wey be say dem dey talk when they start this whole EndSARS matter. When the youth they were in one accord, where they do things together, all these politicians see say, as this youth they are coming together with full force, they know say once youth stand in one accord, all their plans for this 2023 election say youth go defeat them. Now they don't sit down, look. Now so we go there, now all these small children go just come collect power for our hand. Okay, make we cause confusion in their midst. Using mumu like this guy now, where we say just say, make all Igbo people, make una leave Yoruba land. We give una 48-hour ultimatum. What of you Yoruba people where we say dem dey Igbo land? Una see this country where we dey so, the Igbos, una dey see so. The Igbos are fearless. The Igbos, they are very hardworking people. They don't come and say they don't want to be among this country again. Say make them leave there, not make them go their own separate way. Not be today, nine Igbo man, the Igbos, where they call themselves Biafra, say they want to leave this country. Not be by force. Now for only this country where we say all this developing country, like Nigeria, now you go see where they go say country na unity, we be one Nigeria. And if we be one Nigeria, then only one particular ethnic group go hold power. They hold the power, go produce the presidency. Go produce the president. Then the rest go be inferior. This kind of thing no fit happen for Europe. It no fit happen for USA. It no fit happen for Canada. When you say United States of America, everybody get equal right. You no go hear say one particular part of US, now they produce the leader. Now they produce the leader. That kind of thing no fit happen. If it happen, gbege go dey. Serious gbege go dey, trouble go dey. So all this, in fact, the people that are lacking behind for this our country are the Northerners. When Jonathan build this their school, this their Majiri school for them, so that they go educate all those their street pikin them when they dey for outside. The thing no go that way with all these their leaders, because they know say if all those children wey be say dem dey for street, if dem no get the awareness, dey educated, dem no go fit dey use their head like garawa. Because during the time of gbege na dem dey send say, oya go outside, go kpeme your fellow human being. Go payment your fellow human being. Meanwhile, their children, they don't send them go abroad, go school. They school for abroad. When they don't finish the school for abroad, they go come arrange job for NNPC, for CBN, for CBN for them. Then those Amajiris, they will be say they not they go school, now then go carry plate, they do bambiala, bani kudi, bambiala, bani kudi. Una know say that kind of thing no dey for Igbo land. Igbo man na very industrious man. Man when he be say as him dey do start business, he don't carry him brother along. If him brother serve and finish, he don't open him brother on. So the Igbos, they are the envious, they envy them well for this Nigeria. That is why the Igbo man said they don't want to stay again, make una let them go. Make una let them go, but for where this confusion is where we say our leaders, then they set. Okay, now because of this protest where we say they just do of recent, where we say they say make we end SARS. Make we end SARS, the youth then come in one accord. Now they don't go give this guy small pepper, small dough, small akpalakpala, so that in go concept confusion, so that we go come live waiting the thing where we say we want to achieve. Maybe if all the youth then they in one accord, 2023 they come, they go pursue up, because the youth now they don't get their own agenda. Say waiting they want to be say anybody where be say don't hold power, when he be say don't be politician before, and when he be say they above 50 years no go hold any position again. Say governors now 30 years, if you go be president 40, all this local government chairman 25 years, just like that. Now so then say anybody above 50 no go be president again. Say enough is enough. Now they don't see say the youth then don't come in one accord. Now they send this mumu raised to power 10. This guy now where we say they talk, where no get sense, now make it concept confusion. You they tell Igbo people say make they leave Yoruba land. Now Igbo people now them be herdsmen where we say they buy on people inside bush where they do farm. For Yoruba land now una people know they feel they go farm. Now Igbo people now them be the herdsmen where we say they come bush, different bush area, they come by all una people where we say then they do farm. You know, tell those people make them leave una land. And I don't know why be say these Yoruba people now una make I don't want to be tribalistic for this whole matter, but it be like say now una be the people where be say these Fulani people, they really use their head well. Now and few greedy leaders where be say we get now then they use, because these Fulani people, they are very una they call them say them be malam. Then they strategize where they go sit down, project everything, program everything. Then they will come push one mumu, one yeyeshos man like this one where we say come out now, they give ultimatum. The Igbo people should leave this town in 48 hours. And you don't forget, say your brother, me as I dey here, so my neighbor na Yoruba. You don't forget, say Yoruba people, they're full everywhere. You don't forget, say people in Tamari. My friends, where we say my friends for here, this one mama na Igbo, this one papa na Yoruba. So they intermarried. How una wan do am for this country? The only way we say them go fit take do am, if una say the country make them divide am, make everybody go in separate way peacefully. No be by force say people must be the one country. And if una say people must be one country, make them share this whole thing, make it they equally distributed. No be say one particular people go say na them must rule, now them must rule. This kind of thing no fit happen for abroad. This kind of thing no fit happen for abroad. Say for USA, now one particular people now then go hold position. Then the rest now then go be. It no fit happen. Now only for civilized society now they see this kind of thing. So my people, how una see this matter? When be say this Kamuka guy, as far as I know, Warri go call and say na Kamuka guy na be. When be say they can't open in mouth, they talk say as in face be. So now so we go just the day. Year in year out, politicians go they go they cash on a kolo, they cash on a mugu every day. This one where you to don't then they wise up now just they don't begin they bribe on they pay on a small pepper change. They give on a small change, more na cause confusion, so that they will continue to the loot una. Make una continue. Who won't get sense? Make it get sense for this country. But one thing I know be say things no go continue to dey like this. Things no go continue to dey happen like this. People are getting the awareness. People already they know. So my people, how una see this matter? In case you want to say anything, feel free. Let's continue the discussion for comment section. If you be say you never subscribe to this channel, I beg, make you hit the subscribe button. Have a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye.